I'm not going to play this music. Let them hear no more.
See, what I just hate for my life, now say, I hate say, make some people they enjoy, some people they suffer. Because our country not good, and our money, our country not good. Our old man everywhere, light go there everywhere, wana. Children go they suffer. Governor, everything go just they fine. Children for that state, go they suffer. How una take they sleep? And the money we una get, na ibiri. Ala moyoryon, elle. Na temata. All these things, all these people, and they don't first stay for Europe. Una no get good mind. At least, as in, make una they use that money we una get for those states. As in, they do better thing for our people. The money too big. Now they hear me. The money, I don't have to talk anything. This music where I play, you don't talk everything. Inyame no me waga dave inwana why ke emiya. No need for me to talk too much. Why? Only to just give order, that is all. But as an elder, why can't you also do something for your people? Only to give orders, rule, bang. But to do something for, as in, if you don't want to give the people, the adults something, those innocent children. You people should see how you will do in those states to build new schools for those children. Employ new teachers, be paying them well. Free books. If now those states even get like no wala. Because money make all states, make everybody answer their papa name. Money there, those states that they lie. Governor Baseki. Our security vote money, how you they do one? How you they do that money? Now because our youth, I don't know whether they sleep. I don't know if they happen. All of them just come weak like this. I don't know. Wait till they happen. Una not get weapon. Where una gone? Where una gone? Una take the key. Curtis. Now me they talk. Una get gone. Where una guns? So everywhere waje. Why meta. Waga uhiya vena. I be Curtis. Nothing the napun. Who the there? A policy. Keka na yo surrender na so ogbe boys. Fun no wa ya wale la wa pian ya wa miton ayo wa fo wa dojo. I talk and say na security na we need for our country. Say if security they all these useless but all of them go enter us. Ogbe boys and they carry last. Now win now what did they stop? If ogbe boys come out everywhere go spoil. Iya wa surrender wa ya ye miton. Am I lying? Oh guy or two wa nya gbeba see me making one. If now your brother you want kill just now, that gun will come out. As now for you to fight all those enemies when they surrender una, make una say carry una gun, make una face them, when I meet you over. Oh no, these are the enemy that you have to kill now with all those your cultist things that you have been practicing all this year. All this security that you surrounded you people right now. Na hekeni whatever bena. But we make benya. Oh why ye mita why those boys, Bini boys are stupid for Bini. They go watch this video and say, madam, why you not come out? Shut up! Shut up. The time when they kill your brothers with cultists, you call me a combat. The time when they say nothing they happen when they carry battle as the nyagan. I get na hekeni with the nyagan big benan. Ave soldier police na ni was on that one. I get na hekeni with nyagan. Not be nice suppose make una tear them, make una say nothing they happen. Why you go enter inside house where other states see they do that see they protest? Why una go enter inside house like that? Coward. Coward you are people. You people are coward the boys in Benin City. Una not be any hero. Shut up! Now because the security not there that day. Because Bateki never bring people come out when they come guide you now. Wana azuo. Sarah don't wear police uniform. Sarah tomorrow when I agboko. What the big bed of my midtown you wana. Ave coward. Now me do the thought now. Unto was so very wow. No, I don't boys for Benin, you now stupid. I never see person who is useless, which I do boys for Benin. You may me one even meet to have another bag. I have do boys now. Hey! Oh, wow. Ijeme. Hey! These boys, all these boys, if they want to kill their friends for Curtis, we know they see where they see gun. We know where they see gun. Oh, we have fear about by the junction. You have fear no care. Where are the guns? Can't you bring the guns out now? Why zwa? I was zwa. I have my money. Why you call wabe boys now? I have a boys now. Oh, washa. Hi. Where are your weapons that you used to operate since as now all of them don't cooperate now? There's something like a yellow color, yellow fever again. All of them don't embrace themselves. No more killing. Where una weapon? All those una guns. One at the head. Why have viola diano? Why have belawa basa kick belia ya yodere? This is the time for you to act. After this time now, wafo, why they give me opportunity? Never go Makam. All these Obaseki, they are mafia so. You think he's wearing suit? Say na responsible man. Na mafia. All our leaders, they are mafias. All our leaders. Shut up, Ogwig boy. Oyi, your baby Ogwig boy said a bonitie. Your baby ya guno uji. The time one at the do Curtis, one at the kill herself. My brother did the whole. Wafo never be me. Ya wa luwa. I go use una All these Ogbe boys. Shut up, push out useless Ogbe boys. Ogbe boys where they fear police. Police don't surround you now, and you not fit do anything again. You can't una hear me tan you wa. Where una gone, one take they shoot una self, one take they fight una self. Where una stab knife? Where una battle us? Oh wow, ne, my baby ka dana ni mama. Oh wow. So I be boys nínú wa gbele wa kede de ade wa ba en wa wa gbotin wa. Again why ya gbaba seki na wa ya na ya zu owo wa. This is so funny. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen all my life. Me no wa agogo. You know I cut this boys that we do boys. Na tinya finish up seki. You know tinya deal with seki. Way now today stars. When they come say me you come out now, what you come to do for outside now? Ibeshile no mama. How you come to eat now? Which work go back keep on now come work later now? For you to fire all of them now so they talk as they hot. Wawe at the talk now that was the same can bring my brother come out. What me no ya gbe. What me no ya tawed wa ya set other police and gbele avi wu kwa again here. Shut up! Are you mad? What is Obaseki doing for us? Are we going to chop road? They should kill him. They should do whatever they like to him. I don't care. Mr. Obaseki, why were you fighting to be governor? Now are you where you are? Why do you want to be there? Is it not because you are a criminal that there is big money there? Do you? As in, our fear yavu dana do just kill them or throw bomb lock them for inside. It doesn't have to organize one thing, just say meeting now organize and just lock them for inside one room, throw bomb for there. All these leaders for Benin, no you die. We don't make at that time. I they give una sense. Now no say me I be woman. I'm a woman, I be una pet. You understand? You cannot ask me to go and fight. What is wrong with you? I'm your pet. Me I will do it. You are a man. You fight for me. You are the king. You guys are kings. We are the Omalicha. You fight for us. Are you mad? That time I only have been out. Well now, kill them. They have killed you. When I a big boy with guy. A big boy man of a guaboje, no future. A governor de Mwekote, Mwekote, your hair. Oh, you know, you think that you are a criminal. Is our governor Obaseki that is a notorious criminal? Why was he calling on live video when they were protesting? That is the question. Can't you ask yourself? That why was our governor so anxious as in everybody was killing themselves? Everybody was talking, hey, Obaseki must win, Ogba. Have you ever asked yourself that? Why was he doing those things? What is in that? He's a notorious criminal. He has to be down. Who are fear? Who are called? Who make sure you're in hospital? You target the forehead. When you want to kill a criminal, make sure that the bullet goes straight into the skull. You understand me? It don't bad them now. When they go chop the money finish, now they'll call the Zoe again. When they don't chop money where governor give them now, they'll all come out when they kill their brother. Mona just look over, damn you. Una see where don't sense to the kill themselves. Now with the same show me that say this one, this year killer the other one. Wait, now see. Etu we all who are video bros. Are you not a stupid coward? Where are you going to? Me, I there for Belgium, man. Everywhere you're soft. I be the fight for una. But you guys are stupid. And what damn it. Governor Obaseki no won't get that bear. Okay, was a tea Governor Obaseki was in the state since since what is in the happen. He not travel anywhere. Get that Governor Obaseki, you know that I have right to slap you. I have right to slap you because you are a useless man. Don't you know that you are useless? Do you know why I have a right to slap you? Because how can you open your eyes and let those children be condemned like that? What do you used to say? Nyab the leg be a boy. Boy nyab the leg be. Belgium they not they born too much. They not they born too much for Belgium. Some women they get 10 children for Belgium for your Igbo. You get 10 children. some they get 12. Yeah, give your no school for those children to learn. No book. No anything. No hospital. Governor Obaseki, you are not what to be a governor. You are a useless man. Or where? Ask yourself what you are. If you are not all these things that I've been calling you, Mr. Obaseki. Ask yourself, you coward. You are a coward. You are a bad man. You are heartless. Are you mad? You have been in America for so many years. Is this the way they treat their children? I'm just after the kids, Or man, you know why I'm after those children? Because it's the way you train children that later they will not come and use gun to kill you. Only me what day after me the meroga dot mana ma fane go imane. When me ya gun, that me yes me ya gun ave ana. Me am a miscreant. I am a miscreant. If to say our governor do something for us for those states, and for them one office, I for not be miscreant now. You see the way they talk me now, they cause governor. Because they not put me for school. There was no school for me. I not go school. Governor receive them. Receive the insult very well. These children now, if we not do something for these children now, then will come to be like us later. Why? All these our big leaders in Edo State, all of them, they have been in the states. They have traveled out. You don't see that all the children go to school every day. Are you people blind? No, whatever. Old fools. All of you, in to whom it may concern, as I said in this my topic. On Master they can't then anything he must send you over. Do you know that these people they have traveled? They say the way Europeans they don't play with their all coming children. Picking away they from 4 years you go know the class where they for Europe. Picking away they 5 years you know the class where they for Europe. You're not the day where they go enter university unless in one way repeat class. For instance, in your one regimia. They just arrange everything for these children for this Europe. Now that one I meet day after. I wait when married now. Or my they can't have a dot in the road. No. Those children they are going to be like us, miscreants. I what in my no wala nia we receive the bebo. Receive a wella. Oh, the thing just pay me our boys. Hi, our boys people are so foolish. Our boys in my wala. Today I waited to say they will come out. These are Ogbe boys. These are Sakbomba Road people. No way. I don't see anybody. And if you want to do protest, make you not they do for Sakbomba Road. Aduwawa. No. If you want to do a protest, let everybody know your location. Do it in one location. Don't be stupid. Do your protest in one place. Everybody go come there. So that if something they happen, we are not more now that. If something they happen, we go they see. We not in one place all of now there. You know why you are like this? Because you didn't go to school. Do you think it's only ABCD? How to spell the teaching in the school. There was one thing I was teaching my daughter today. We want to cross road. I said, see, if you want to cross this road, you have to look your left, right, before you cross a zebra, okay? You know when you know what she tell me? She said they don't even teach them for KG. I said, there are many things you learn in the school. One man understands. Go to school. It's not because you have to read and write. No, there are a lot of things that you have to learn in the school. That is what I'm fighting for these small ones now. Our own don't dabaru. All of them, you just collect money and just went inside. Just like that. You and you know that our Obaseki is doing very well. He's living well. They say government has you not finished there. Then say he reach 4 gates where they pass where they did government has. You don't come get sense. You don't come get sense. Say Why you say this man well Obaseki will get big head because they give me money and where he they sleep is security day where why is they be like that? So this might be like not thief because it's a common criminal. I can go to government house in Belgium, eh? They not go even don't you see me for camera say hello, what do you want? You tell them what you want. They'll say me you come inside. They're not there is something like you know if you enter because they are harmless, they're not criminal. Why is our government house so tight? Why my neck buwa? Where Obaseki go ojidan e mani live and go jinyan ya. Why my neck buwa? You take the money instead of you to say no, I will not collect this money. We die here. You take the money. You took the money and just went inside as cowards. Ogbe boys, Sakmomba Road, Bini boys, Edo State boys. You people are goats. Mota ina mi talk o wasi onwe viri we matter get to we owa a school majo no work opportunity you are inside the darkness. You collect money from that he goes call Obaseki inside. I have the right to insult you Obaseki because I did not go to school. I'm a miscreant. Now, what you want to find me for Benin City to kill me? Are you mad, Mr. Obaseki? Are you crazy? I wish the governor before you train me. I for the curse you. Just shut up your mouth and you don't have anything to do to me. I'm a miscreant. I did not go to school. Just shut up. These ones where they grant now. If I not train them, they will still be like me. Now make me they say no, they have to go because I know that there is something in education. Yeah. Una no even think say na inside darkness una dey. Una get the mad to collect money can go stay inside darkness. Go to Wamabe yes. Wabe kenu gberu wala ni bet wabe hoku wabe the boundary na we ozu wazo Obaseki di go nu gbe no brag gbe no na igare mansion. Ene mi awazo me makon. I know that I'm a miscreant, but I'm very clever. Mr. Obaseki, you this useless man. Do you know that I have 3-story building in Belgium? It's my own. Because I know that maybe you will see this video. You are a goat. My garden is very big. It's true though. My house in Belgium, you cannot even own it though. You are a useless man. I use my brain to get what I have in Belgium. Mr. Obaseki, do you know what you are? You are just a common criminal. Then you go to Wemule waiting your Oh my God, because what are you living for now? What are you living for now? Ask me. Don't say next generation faith. This generation will be okay. My name is Miscreant in our game. I deal with you. Me buy number 1 miscreant. Miscreant what me? Obaseki wa game ani ya gbe me dogun ya gbu. O afin. Lade o. Ije me. Iba bola we gbe Obaseki a. We deserve me worry no na. You are a he goat. Yes, you are a he goat. I am a miscreant. He can't pain. I'm not walking convey. So far no ya go. This is that the apple so Mr. Obaseki. This is social media. Imagine me insulting you. It pains. I wish you the governor before you when I was young train me. Yeah, I don't physical. Yeah, inside that beautiful sun, you know, I could have been okay. I found inside this code. You understand me? For me to be inside this code, you don't die. You don't die. Mr. Bello, Mr. Bello, la wo, where to live, then we are marrying me, then we veje wagmoji. Ya agwan ikakamwa ya agwan wagunu wa. Why me agbon weje na Mr. Bello? I'm going to pay for Italy 1,300 €. You call that life? You are a useless man. Mr. Bello, you don't supposed to be a man. Just look at you and your wife and your children. You don't even pity for your wife and your children. You go for you to join me to curse Mr. Bello. You say our governor. And you are your governor. Oh, who is your governor? He's a notorious criminal. He is a notorious criminal. He can never be my governor. I am a miscreant. I have the right to talk to my governor the way I am because they did not train me. I did not go to school, Mr. Obaseki. So receive the insult and drink water on top of it. Why you receive? Enjoy the insult. So that no make na again and then na be kana na how can we ya school. It's very, very important. Just organize. Say, this future of tomorrow, I don't want them to be insulting the next governor after me. Do it now. Do it now. Never boy fear come and bribe me now. Social media. Whoa. You are very ugly, Mr. Obaseki. You are the most ugliest thing I have ever seen on my life, Mr. Obaseki. Eh? Look at you. Oh, what? Obaseki worry, Emi yana sees. Obaseki worry, Emi yana sees. He just confused my boys. They are my boys. Yes! I know what I'm saying. Obaseki is a miscreant and Barawo more show face me. Obaseki, you know say you know fear. No, let you say find this girl. Emi abo fear kunle lawyer. You do not go fit. I get right to insult your generation self. You are mad. How can you be in a place? Don't call me, oh. Call WhatsApp here. Call WhatsApp, oh, WhatsApp. Add the number for WhatsApp and call in, oh. If you want to join me to heal Obaseki because I'm a miscreant, I can heal. I can heal. I don't know if you guys are understanding me. Because I'm not training me. I will go away father. Obaseki, what receive How can you, Obaseki, you now, when I'm a man, where you live, there is light. Everywhere there is light. The people that you are governing, remember, so they don't have light, they're in dark out. About areas, and you will say that I should not insult you. You are a fool. That is not how to govern. God don't have to provide everything for the state. Yes, if you know that you cannot provide everything for the state, why did you say you want to come back again? You could have stayed down and let another person come. Let's try that one also. Again, you try. I hate it was inside darkness is bad. I hate darkness. It's like my daughter, my second daughter. Oh, he hated darkness. I can say, imagine people are inside there as we are talking. Darkness. And you will say that I should not insult you. Waiting Obaseki. Because waiting Obaseki do me, now governor, and they not provide things for those states. Now making the cost. And if you make pen, if you make pen, just not write again, just shut up there now. Because if you write again, you are a fool. Do you like darkness? Oh, you like darkness? Oh, you look at Obaseki like he's a person for you in your front. Oh, Obaseki is nothing in my front. True to God, I swear. Oh, what? If I see Obaseki like this, any of them, I see notorious criminal. Notorious criminal. True to God, and you'll be able to who better notorious criminal. Yes! Why are you a governor of a state? It's not because you have to provide everything that the people need. Thank you. Obaseki is a criminal. God bless you, Sasbario. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Salobo Adeba Wewen Watani. That is the duty of a governor. If you people don't know. Thank you, Kim. I love you. Yeah, we're blocking you because I'm not saying me. I know they find people. Me, I know they. I'm a miscreant. Jesus. Oh, they are miscreants. When we may school, you stupid idiot. What the Bamena Robio? Obaseki, can you come and tell us what you are doing as a governor? Are you mad? What is I am doing road? I am doing road. Are you crazy? How long will you use to do road? Are you mad? Do you think that it's only once they do road? If they do road there, they have to renovate every time. Can you, if they do road, road there, it needs renovation every year. I'll be 3 years, I don't know. Una if you come out now, the next person will go enter, no do, you no go renovate them, you no go dig and to repair where you people have to be shut down. You people have to go down straight in your skull, because you are a notorious arm robber. Koro, notorious arm robber. We have right to talk. Everybody should join me to talk because I'm saying the whole hard truth. Emi here ma boda me nita we de gbedo atebo ne Obaseki me mazuo emi ro pa ma. They are in the dark. No food. No food. Bag of rice 50,000 naira. No hospital. What damn me? No hospital. Wa me tabu wana. So you will see come out and say it's your governor. Black people, shut up. Never view no go wasona. As I heard the talk, so just shut up. If na your governor, no the boy am ma unfuwa. Uwe ohwa. Lare a black person. Inya ugwa. Everything ya do me juwa hun. Lare o. We bona no we. If I talk and say Europe did not take 20 years just now to develop. See, it be like say sometimes go just carry all these zombies where they this Europe black and just deport to go Africa. Man, I go inside darkness there. Yes, sometimes I like to do it, but I cannot do it. Because you are in the light, you just forget where you come out from. You just forget like that. Inside that darkness. I will never forget inside that darkness. Never, not even in a hurry. But all who wanna hear Obia songa miwa omya meke no kekba oh my junwe ya tawe my the number is in my screen here now. If you touch the screen you will see my number. Oh my the bebe junwe ya tawe. Obaseki is our governor. Black people, you are always a goat you will remain forever till you will die. You guys, some of you have to be in the cage. Banana no wa take go be. You are in Europe right now and in the light. Your mother and your family, they are in the darkness. You will see say Obaseki is your governor. Obaseki must step down. I'm a miscreant. I can do whatever I like to you. You can pain. That is why you have to train the children. You understand me? And now, do what we are asking. Start doing it now. Okay? Do you know that these people, they are very useless? This is our governor. They will take the money that is made for us in those states. They will use it to do their thing. They will not go and be borrowing money up and down. No, do you just understand what I just said right now? If we the citizens kill our governor right now, nobody will ask us. Because there is proof. Yes, there is. We say we did not have light, we did not have anything, so we killed him. Maybe he can. Yes, because you have to provide for us, you have to give us. That is why you are a governor. What are you doing there now, Mr. Obaseki? Can you come out and address the Edo State people and talk like a man and not like a coward? You are just useless. Somebody like you, Obaseki, cannot touch my skin. You are be. Very useless and dumb man, but he's a notorious criminal. Our dog, why can't we only? But he's a notorious criminal. I mean, no woman. Oh, I know. If Obaseki get any that man not get property for Edo State. That useless man not get property for Edo State. Make una target Obaseki. Una know as na take throw fire for him. Me I teach una. But una no know. Una will take cloth. Una will put fuel inside one cloth. Una can't take that cloth, whether na one rubber or one bottle. Yeah. Una can't put the cloth inside. Now they hear me. So if una see say Obaseki or Imoto de corner, just put fire, just throw and meter. Oh, I'm worried. No need to they carry tire, they burn if you want burn anything, any property. Just use this method. Put fuel inside cloth, inside something. Put that inside bottle. You understand me? When you want strike, just light them, just throw them. Oh, boom, oh, in a bomb. Oh, that time no stress again. You just put cloth inside, put food inside that cloth, put that inside bottle. Keep them inside your, nobody go know today with you. When you want reach way, when you want strike, you will take lighter, you just throw, you will boom. Now they get me, guys. You know? I'm bad. Because we are miscreants. That is why we don't know our left or our right. We are miscreants. I will not blame them too much, all these boys. Do you know what's education? Education in now, I will primary school, they have to upgrade it. Our teacher, they have to select good teacher to put there. They are illiterate too. Some of them, they even go to university come out, but they are still illiterate. They don't teach them well. Not be the way they teach them for Europe. My small picking with them for primary one, you see what they learn, what they don't know already. Me ma primary one. Now they understand me. So all these boys, I think say some of them be university graduates. In your mind, rock bar. So as I they talk now, so they follow me for Facebook. Now African Nigerian people put this page where they will see they collect sense. Yeah, be after I'm not this lady not truth. Yes, I'm the lady of truth. Obaseki not even supposed to say for your front self. You have right to even slap Obaseki. You have rights. I live in Europe. I know what I'm telling you. If the governor is not doing what we want, because we put him there to help us to fix things, he's not. You can slap. You can do whatever you want to him, You don't know. Don't be afraid of any leader. The leader has to work for us. They are like slaves. They are like, working. They have to do it. So you have right to question him. You have right to say, when are you going to do this thing, you motherfucker? As in, but before you do this thing, all of you have to put your heads together. But as now be miscreant, as will be miscreant now, that will be problem. A miscreant, it can't be. Very much, my wife. It's so I got tell me. Nike be ateme nike temo vie only why problem o miscreant mana my school na so if to say all of una go fit just come together forget say you not go school see get sense as well no say you dey for inside darkness no electricity normal je school when you get keningena environment na gbinwegbe uwe o boys ma abo abe boys do uwa zwa. Oh, well, I don't worry, man. They put panel down for nose. Is that what my back and where they get ma? Where me my show me down here, my picture like ya. Where be all round if I buff your cool way. Now, jealous in your power, I bring money for me. Sassy, no, sassy cute. I see the place where it's that picture. I see, you are a goat. Don't know that your governor will do it for you also. For you to go and hold your governor, who are better, or my men, or the men, we were better, or met your daddy, who will me over sekenuje, we met record day, or a braboua, no wapin, money, what I wear on you go no vela, dear, my brother, you know, you now because they know they tell you how far for this Europe, where. If I start to tell you something, they'll come say, I made those ones start to the do like this again, but let hold your governor rest, hold him like this, and make it start to the from light first. I get time I don't want to talk about road. The guy don't tire. I don't want even talk road. They irritate him. Hospital, school, wakawa daji. Even Obaseki where ye. On that moi merie dos maeme uezwa. La rebe Obaseki we me uezwa. When I see this man and I'm saying the truth oh. Am I lying? Aremaji. E dey miscreant go ya gwanze. Wa we ni ba ya una. I'm not here school where Anasha. About this, the truth I'm saying. Now they understand me. It's truth I'm saying. These people are so stupid. You just live. Hey, guys, mona call. This is time we take a video now. Obaseki, okay, no muruk bade. A responsibility of get one no why it dash and I go back ballet de auto. Make all of na get the same head. What a babe now tire say, hey, Mary Doso, this woman no na true she talk. Make any of una no part go one side. Make all of una say, Mona hold yourself like this. Mona, listen to me. Hold yourself like this, eh? Say, Mr. Obaseki, if you not do this thing, so time, you are finished. Well, nobody got to go corner with her. Hey! Obaseki wune. Yes! Even police cannot do you anything. Yes! Rather, the police will drop their weapon and join you because those ones are suffering also. I don't know if you people are getting me small. Oh, God. We understand. Oh, now, because they enjoy. He will be answered. He will be left with no choice because the police or soldier that he want to use to kill people, all those ones go drop their weapon. Obaseki will be pleading for resign self. Obaseki will even be pleading to resign because this is the same thing that what is happening in Europe. That is what I'm trying to tell you people. It may say the same thing. Nobody go if to first of all, even though the police, Nova General, make all the Curtis boys, all of them, because the Curtis Zua, because him now Zua. Zua. Yes, a miscount is Zua. Why de boboji? No why model that Obaseki we enough is enough. A way will be. De boboji wa pajale de my school majo. But I have my own house in Belgium. Go bowen or Zua. Amana school ma be no gbe baba wela. Umae a way. Umabe who wear darkness yo yeah. No enough is enough. Umabe be goni. Okay, now so supposed be. You have to sleep darkness. Will be the mama. Make una come out, go say SARS must end. Oya ro wa ni. Come out. Uwa moso ladia. Whether you like it or not, next time again I just come fire una again. Gather some information, come tell una. Because a miscreant emayahi. So now me have to they bring information come wahaya load there. I will we wanna just kuma again. Uma vega gbono be uma understand the good life. Ozuo. Even though you not go through, you don't know say you need good life. You like to they hate people whether they inside good place. Hi, bros, you too enraged. Hi, God, bros, you are a fool. You are a foolish boy. You are a foolish Curtis boy. And as now go start this protest again, as I don't come tell Nana because who was Zua, let him marry and was Zua go why one. Obaseki no Zua luwa. Obaseki one me Obaseki as now one come out now again because who was here like now. Wow Zua or Zua. Who was so that put in Yagbe or say or twin who fear. Or this again no hey ya tawa Obaseki no una ya ro wa ladian. Wa ladian. As you they come out, all una go wanna get before me gonna bring a come out. Oh sisi, why be book but because you wa conservative. Why mugbe ave mugbe ozuo. Wa han ya gbe kotisi wa na kalinya twatwa ugbe we mugbe ya. E me ave mamo na devede. Me gbe na de. Then they see guys when they fall for streets. Gun, don't shoot them. Where the guns? Where una guns? This is the right time for you to use your gun. Because I want to better your life. You think I'm even if I'm a miscreant, I don't know what I'm doing. Express yourself where I am. Emma bungwe me watam when I agwaya mawe. Ewa jesaya tamawena. Agie atawe wataji. Ugalele ugadiamenite udo de. Go and all of you come out and bring out your guns. See, I know that people have guns. Why why see? How do I move big binya? I do a more uwe kwa. Upoko ya gbe Curtis boys we hang binya wa. No, can you just imagine? Bring out your guns, man. And they never have mugwanu wa hana more than your of their property. Ou c'est fou et you bon. Ouais, c'est fou et you bon. Ou zien you walk go. Eh? Ou rien c'est que le Hana strike. Ou relate yo. Oh, boom! Oh, you be bomb. Do it! Let them perish. You people are suffering. It's true. You are suffering. You are suffering. Enough is enough. Do not stay inside the house. Uwa mana la dia. That be ya la dia. No go mo so la dia. Yeah, most of me do boys outside. Oba say you too small. You too small. Bring out your certificate. Oba say ke mago awe ya lewa. Mago we ya governor. Bring out your certificate. There are real people that have to be governor. Yeah, mago where do I when I mago ya achieve even where the mother that those no use them one where you are. What did you achieve in America, Mr. Baseki? Useless man, coward. Tell me how many years you spent in America? What did you achieve? Nothing. 0 over 100. Do not what. You were a stupid man in America. You have nothing. Not that. Hello, sir. What they call it? What like this? Chance. Will not want woman. A criminal ya a chance. No what for French America. And you are fear na. Go and look for me. Ugbeo. Wow, Wabaseki, that to what that were training me. A manicare, who were in me a table. Where me a miscreant. You get miscreant about fear cool lua. The same thing you are still doing to this generation now. The same thing. And I've one of the men have a table the other governor. Have a way miscreant enough. Yes, we are miscreant. If you don't want us to be miscreant, train us now. Give us what we want. Idiots. Nonsense. Oh, one moment.